Hello guys, today we will learn to make C chart in Microsoft Excel. So without wasting the time, let's get started. What is C chart? In statically quality control, the C chart is a type of control chart used to monitor count type data, typically total number of non-conformities per unit. It is also occasionally used to monitor the total number of events occurring in a given unit of time. Like other process charts, the C chart is used to detect non-random event in the life of a production process. Now, how to make C chart in Microsoft Excel? So let's jump to Microsoft Excel sheet. Okay guys, we will make C chart in three simple steps. First step is calculation, second step is data sheet, and third one is graphical representation. So we will start creating C chart. Step 1 is calculation. So in calculation we will take samples and sigma. C bar, upper control limit, lower control limit, I will put this formula after data sheet. So next step is to make data sheet. Step 2. In data sheet, first column is samples, second one is number of defects, next is C bar, next is upper control limit, and then lower control limit. I will take 10 samples. Total number is 14. Total number of defects is 14. So C bar is, so I have total 10 number of samples. So here 10, and I will take sigma 3. So C bar is total number of defects by samples, which is 1.2. So I will put C bar here, which is this, and I will fix this column, drag until last. Now UCL. So to calculate UCL we need C bar and sigma. So already we have sigma value and C bar we already calculated. So upper control limit is C bar plus sigma into square root of C bar, which is 4.9. Next we need to calculate the lower control limit. So we need to calculate lower control limit. For lower control limit we have condition if C bar minus sigma into square root of C bar is greater than or equal to 0, then C bar minus sigma into square root C bar so in this column UCL is we already calculated. Drag this value until last. So now in next step we will make graph. So we need to select these 4 columns and go to insert, recommended charts, all charts, line, and then line with markers, and select this one. Okay, so here we have now select the axis title. Okay, select this defects. These are samples. Your C chart is